Inaonja juice ni tamu sana. Tena iko creamy. Hello loves, welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, thanks for clicking. I just forgot to do an intro when I was done editing the video in the morning. Today I decided to make my mom COFFEE DALGONA because she has not been feeling well, but at least she's good now and I'm so happy. So I decided to make her that COFFEE DALGONA and she really enjoyed it. And usimind background, usimind penye niko, usimind venye nakaa. I swear, ukinita date ama ukinita for mi ungara. But since I'm at home and I have nothing to do, I don't have to wear makeup or anything. I am here feeding our chicken. Yes, so yeah, I've decided to do an intro right here, and I don't want it to be long. And enjoy the video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share, do all the cute things. I really appreciate. Thanks for your support. Thank you. Remember to watch my other videos. Keep supporting me, and I really appreciate, loves. Thank you. Watch till the end. Bye. At this point, I'm going to whisk all my ingredients in my cup until I get the consistency, the thick consistency that I want. Right now you can note the color change and the consistency change. You see it's thick, yeah, and it was dark brown. Right now it has changed the color. So continue whisking like for about 5 minutes till you get the consistency that you want for your coffee. Lola was too rough. I really wanted it to mix well, that's why I was so rough on it, but it turned out really, really good. I whisked for about 5 minutes so that to obtain this consistency. Wow, so creamy. After you're happy with the results of whisking, now you can pour it on top of your milk. I forgot to record the first part of pouring it, but you just pour it. Kumwaga tu, hakuna procedure, just pour it, and yeah, it won't mix. Just make sure your mixture is thick enough to not mix. I really enjoyed making this. Once you're done, you can add toppings of your choice. So if you have sprinkles, if you have cinnamon, if you have strawberries, if anything of your choice. I decided to go with chocolate, a little bit of chocolate to make it look good. There we go. Our coffee dalgona is ready. My mouth is already watering. I know my mom's mouth is already watering, ready to drink it. I hope you recreate this and comment down below if you do and if you enjoyed it. And yeah. Time to taste the sweetness. This was so yummy, and we had to make another one off camera. After we were done drinking this, we made another one because we really enjoyed the first one. So yeah guys, remember to like, comment, subscribe. Also recreate this drink if you didn't follow on the trend. Kama uko umefanya ile trend ya it trended some time ago. If you didn't follow it, just make it and tag me, comment down below. And yeah, bye loves.